Welcome to my channel. Today I am discuss about the particles in one dimension box. First of all, we take a diagram. V infinity, the particles in outside the box, and V 0. V is the potential energy of a particle inside the box is 0, and the particles moves in x along x direction, and this x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. Consider the particles moving with the constant speeds from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. Finding the energy of particles in a box. First of all, we operate the Schrödinger wave equation. H psi is equal to E psi. H is Hamiltonian operator. This is equation 1. And the value of H is minus H square 8 pi square m curly square curly x square plus V is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1, minus h square 8 pi square m curly square curly x square plus V psi is equal to E psi, and this is our equation 3. And we take the common psi in potential energy and total energy of a system. Minus h square 8 pi square m curly square psi curly x square plus V psi minus E psi is equal to 0, and then minus h square 8 pi square m curly square psi x square plus and E minus V psi common. चेंज द सिंबल, या अगर हम इसको सेपरेट करेंगे तो इसका सिंबल चेंज होकर प्लस में हो जाएगा. तो मैं इसे डायरेक्टली इसको लिख देता हूँ, करली स्क्वायर साई या करली एक्स स्क्वायर, ये ऊपर चला जाएगा 8 पाई स्क्वायर एम एच स्क्वायर प्लस ई माइनस वी पोटेंशियल साई इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज अवर इक्वेशन 4. And there are two conditions in which the particles presents in potential inside the box and outside the box. We calculate the energy along the x direction. First, consider outside the box of a particles. Outside the box, so v is equal to infinity, like we put the infinity in place of potential energy, and in this equation 4, curly square psi curly x square plus 8 pi square m upon h square plus e minus infinity psi, and this is our equation 5. And another condition, when these particles are present in the box, so that v is equal to 0, and inside the box v is equal to 0, so v is equal to 0 put in the equation of Schrödinger wave, curly square psi 8 pi square m प्लस सॉरी ये नहीं हुआ, करली स्क्वायर करली एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 8 स्क्वायर m अपॉन h स्क्वायर प्लस e माइनस 0 साई इज इक्वल टू 0, करली स्क्वायर साई curly x square plus 8 pi square m upon h square plus e is equal to psi is equal to 0, and this in place 8 pi square m upon h square plus e, this value replaced by x square. This is the value of x square. X square is equal to 8 pi square m e x square. Put this value in place of, ये हो जाएगा करली स्केयर, इसे हम इक्वेशन 6 का नाम दे देते हैं, करली स्केयर साई करली एक्स स्केयर प्लस के स्केयर साई is equal to 0, and this is our equation 7, and we find this this is just wave equation, and this is find the along the x direction, and in the place of x and y we have taken size x is equal to, this is a wave function sine k is a constant, and x plus b cos kx ab constant, arbitrary constant, and x is equal to 0, where psi x also is equal to 0, this is a 0, a sine a in place of x put the 0, v cos k, and this is 0 0 0, sine 0 is 0, v cos is equal to 1, and we write it only b is equal to 0, and another is when psi is equal to l, psi l is equal to a sine k l plus b cos kl, this is arbitrary constants, and where b is equal to 0, we are already find out, put this in place of b cos is equal to 0, so a sine kl plus 0, a sine kl is equal to 0 when the sine is 0, when sine n pi, where n is number of 1 2 3 4 in these value sine is always 0, we have to check it when placed when placed in the place of n is 1, so sine 180 is 0, and to place of n is 0 3 and 0, so we write it sine kl is equal to this is a constant, so we cannot write it, this n pi, sine is negated, kl is equal to only n pi, we have to take k in this equation, n pi l, taking square on both side, so this equation is become k square n square pi square or l square. This is our equation 8. Comparison equation 6 and 8, comparison equation 6 and 8, and we take out the energy of particles in one dimension, then we get energy of particles in one direction, and हमारी इक्वेशन है 6th, ये है, this is हमारी इक्वेशन 6th, and this is हमारी इक्वेशन 8. कंपेयर करने से so 8 pi square m E upon h square is equal to n square, pi square or l square. We have to calculate E. So take its left hand side, n square pi square upon l square, and this is 8 pi square m, and this is h square. So pi square is neglected, sorry, cancelled, and E is equal to n square h square and l m l square. This is the energy of a particle in one dimension. In one dimension in box. So I hope you understand this topic, particles in one dimension. Thank you for the watching this video.